Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows lagging and slow problems. So this is applicable for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to go to settings or click on the settings icon. Now if you can't access settings through the start button, then you just have to simply search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find privacy and security. Simply click on that. And here you'll find Windows permissions. So we are going to disable this Windows permissions. Click on the general. And if these buttons right here are turned on, just simply turn that off. Then go back to speech. Turn off the online speech recognition. Click on inking and typing personalization. Also turn this off. And you have here diagnostics and feedback. Click on that. You can also turn this off. And you have this activity history. You can also turn that off. And you'll find search permissions. Just maintain this to moderate. Microsoft account, turn that off. Work or school account, turn that off. History, turn that off. Search highlights, turn that off. And you'll find this app permissions. Now under app permissions, what you can do is you just need to turn off for the permission that or services that you're not using. If you're not if you're not using your location, camera, microphone, or any other categories from here, then you just need to simply click on that and then turn the button off. Okay, now once done, close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, then you have to select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. And what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs that should not automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. Make a right click and then select Disable. You have to do that for all the unnecessary startup programs. And then we can also uninstall unnecessary programs. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Click on that control panel item. Now here you will find all the programs on your Windows. Now if you are not using that certain program or that specific program, then we can just simply uninstall that. So here I have this one, the CCleaner. Click on that and click on the uninstall option. Click on yes. And here we need to look for more. So I have here the Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on the uninstall option. Click on uninstall. So this is where you can uninstall the programs on your Windows. So if that is unnecessary and that is taking much space on your Windows, you just simply uninstall that. Now done, successfully uninstalled, close this. And for the final method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl control panel item, click on that. Now here in the system properties window, you'll find the advanced tab, click on that. You'll find performance, click on the settings. Now choose adjust for best performance, but we are going to make some changes right here. Check this box, show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Apply and then OK, and then click on OK. And finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you'll see a great difference in the performance of your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.